How to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Then, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Time Management. Now, tap on Sleep Mode. If the feature is available for your account, you'll see a toggle switch that allows you to turn it on. Enable the toggle, then choose your preferred start time and end time. You can also select the days of the week when you'd like sleep mode to turn on automatically. Once you've finished setting your schedule, tap Save to apply your changes. When sleep mode is active, Instagram will mute notifications and remind you to take a break from the app during your selected hours. That's it. You've successfully learned how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.